藏体。
I think I know a guy. Well. You're awfully persistent. Hats off to you. Did you miss me? Admit it, you missed me. No hard feelings. I've been keeping an eye on you. And I must say, I'm impressed. You deserve a prize. Here, have a head that's always screaming. The point is, I like you. How's about you let me give you a hint, huh? I only asked for a small favor. In return? Right. Well, if you ever change your mind, I'll be here for you, ready to make a deal. Trillion years I've been trapped in my own decaying dimension, waiting for a new universe to call my own. Name's Bill, but you can call me your new lord and master for all of eternity. That's a great offer. How about instead I shuffle the functions of every hole in your face? Ready to cause some havoc? Well. And here I thought today couldn't get any better. I've been waiting an eternity to have a chat face to face. It's not too late to join me. You fit right in with my freak. Oh yeah? And I know a riddle. Now isn't this interesting? You think you can stop me? Go ahead, show me what you got. That's right. Don't be a hero, kid. This is what happens to heroes in my world. Go nuts, guys. When we're done partying, I unveil phase 2. Oh no, a tantrum. Whatever will I do about that? How about this? I'm not worried. I've got someone on the case. At long last, the gate between worlds has opened. The event 1 billion years prophesied has come to pass. The day has come. The world is finally mine. I know lots of things. It's funny how dumb you are. Oh, I'll hold my horses. I'll hold them. You monster. Remember, reality is an illusion. The universe is a hologram. Bye, Gold. Bye!